quiver lives a gentle duck so bright, guiding children through the night. With her wings of stardust gold, she sings stories soft and old, every note a drifting gleam, carrying you into a dream. Come along, she whispers light, float with me through velvet night. Close your eyes, just breathe in slow, feel the sleepy river flow. Past the moon's soft glowing beam, through the land of misty dream, over clouds both low and high, drifting like a lullaby. The water hums, the world is still, stars shine softly on the hill. Duck of dreams stays by your side, as in gentle sleep you glide. So rest, my dear, the night is near, the dream river is always here. Float in peace till morning's gleam, held in wings of tender dreams.